Hello traders. So in today's video we're going to learn how to apply any indicator on your TradingView chart and how to change the instrument. So for the indicator, once you open your chart is going to look like this. You have to go up top here where it says indicator. You will click on the indicator and then you can search any indicator that you want, and then if you have any invite only, you can go to invite only and you can select any indicator and it is going to be applied onto your chart. Okay, so that's how your indicator is going to look like. And then if you have to change any settings, you can just go onto the indicator and click on settings and you can change the setting according to your trading style.